Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get eBay discounts code. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, here we are going just to consult these customer service article of eBay. And from here, we are going to learn where to find exactly the coupon codes or discount codes. So basically, to find them, you will need just to receive the offers that we will be sent from eBay about like these discount codes. And to allow eBay to send you like discount codes, offers, uh, coupons, etc., you will need to receive them or to allow them to send you this email. So basically, you will be needing to update your communication preferences in your account. So simply you can go to your account settings and from there you'd find like marketing let's just go to personal info. So as you can see, if we go here to communication preferences, you'll find this here on your uh, ebay.com. So basically here on the account preferences, you would find like communication preferences. So here you will need just to find like delivery option, buyer, general preferences. So you will need just to find these two. So either the marketing communication or this one. So let's just edit the general one. Those are just about like notification preferences and this one about marketing communication. So from here, you will find like the general email promotion. So send me emails about new and hot, great deals, special, and here you can find discount coupons and other special offers. And basically, you can also like get some other email preferences. You can just like disable them if you would like, but this one is that matters. So then you will need just to save, and then you will be receiving the codes. So basically, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.